Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality into a Samsung Galaxy F23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option. Here find Screenshot and Screen Recorder button, and then on the bottom we got Screen Recorder block. So second option in the list will be Video Quality. Tap it and choose from the list your video quality, maybe high. If you tap, select, and it's save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.